Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia X30 and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer as it is the place where we can enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known. And the code is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually very similar to the previous one. The only difference is in one number. So the code is *#07#. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we can open the SAR information, so we can check the head and the body of our device. So let me tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostic info. And this code is provided by Google. It is *##426####. And as I said, we are in the diagnostic, so here we can check the server, host, port, time connected, and signal level should also appear right here. What's more, we can tap on events, and here we've got some further technical details. After tapping on the three dots icon, we can show advanced view. So just tap on it and go back to just tap on the status. And as you can see right now, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the testing mode. And the code for it is *##4636###. And as I said, we are in the testing mode, so here we've got the phone and Wi-Fi info and also usage statistics. So let's begin with phone info. And here we've got the information such as the email number, current network, or data network type. What's more, we can run ping test here, just tap on it, and here you've got the results. You can also tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner to view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Let's get back, let's check usage statistics, and basically here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently ongoing on this device. And you can check, for example, when it was used the last time, or the usage time itself. You can also sort it by the usage time or last time used. I don't know why I cannot tap on it. Or even app name. So for example, after tapping on app name, your device will list everything alphabetically. Let's go back and the last one, the Wi-Fi information. As you can see here, we've got the API configuration and the status. So let's check the status. For example, we can refresh the stats, and as you can see, we've got the Wi-Fi state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let me go back because that's all for this code, and let me show you the last one which will open the calendar info. So the code for it is *##225###. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events which are attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. So basically that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Nokia X30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.